Or Murdoch for me was head and shoulders man of the match. Now Daniel Guinness was brilliant as well, but I thought Murdoch was outstanding, and particularly in the context then of how Langan did on him last year as well. But how much of, Down knowing that McGonigal might go to him and being aware that McGonigal might go to him and pulling McGonigal out of his natural hole, and there's the middle open, lads. McGonigal's not there. He's going to mark Murdoch.
So there's the space. And we're going to hit it.
Yeah.
Like, sorry, nerd alert. Nerd klaxon. Out of the 35 shots Down took yesterday, they took 27 of them from within 25 metres of the Donegal net. Like, their ability to work the ball into the right, but I think it was 21 of them were from the 21 metre line or inside. That's incredible. That to work that against a team that you think, right, the last thing that we want to do is go in there.
Absolutely.
Let's play around them. Let's try and open them up from the wings. Let's try. Down just did the complete opposite, and it is, there's an awful lot of template coaching, and I do believe that the more I thought about it, Donegal hadn't and won't have faced anything like that in Division 1 football because it's safer and it's more structured and it's slower, in the sense of it's not slower when teams decide to go, but there are more slow structured attacks certainly than what Down brought yesterday. Down just brought direct.
It's funny that Laverty also referenced the harder ground yesterday, because it's the sort of game, as you sort of hark back to those league games that Down were playing. I mean, at least 3 or 4 of those games in Uri, it was just pelting rain, there was wind, there were just awful nights. And his reference the half back line, being sort of honed during that period of time, they were trying those runs, they were trying those things, but obviously, the result was the main thing. They had to go long a few times, but the fact of it was, by the time the ground hardens up and the sun comes out, and we all know that Down love to play in the sun, that running game just comes into its own, it just bursts into its own.